So I was driving my zinc yellow Mustang GT around, and I noticed that the bottom radiator hose had just a little bit of like a little cross split in it, and it was just dripping every just so often, just a tiny bit when the car would warm up, and when you touch it, it would drip. And so I actually had some of this stuff called Easy Fuse tape lying around by the Super Glue brand, and it's basically like a stretch tape, and it says it's waterproof and all that stuff. So I thought I might as well try wrapping it around. And I had put some black RTV in there too, some gasket maker over the hole, and then I wrapped it like crazy. And then I took this extra clamp that was actually on the hose from before, and I moved it over to the end of where I wrapped the tape. And that way it will never unravel because it's being held on by the clamp. And so far so good. It's been a few weeks and I haven't seen one drop under there. And I have an extra one of these hoses if I need it, but I thought, well, I might as well just try this first. It's always a pain to have to drain the cooling system just for a hose like this, and the top one's a little harder to get to by the oil filter adapter housing gasket and stuff. So I thought I might as well just try this first and see how it goes. And so far so good. It seems to be doing pretty well. So that's just a little update on the Zinc Yellow GT. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more Mustang content.